Car jerking during acceleration is a common problem that affects nearly 1 in 4 older vehicles. This frustrating issue typically stems from problems in your car's fuel, ignition, or transmission systems. Modern diagnostic data shows that fuel system issues account for 40% of jerking problems, followed by ignition system problems at 25% and transmission related issues at 20%. The remaining 15% involves air intake and engine management problems. Fuel system issues are the leading cause of acceleration jerking. Clogged fuel injectors prevent proper fuel delivery to the engine, while a faulty fuel pump can't maintain adequate fuel pressure. Dirty fuel filters restrict flow, and contaminated fuel can cause inconsistent combustion. Ignition system problems cause 1 in 4 jerking incidents. Worn spark plugs can't create consistent sparks, while faulty ignition coils fail to provide adequate voltage. Damaged spark plug wires cause misfires, and timing issues disrupt the combustion sequence. Transmission-related issues account for 20% of jerking problems. Low transmission fluid prevents smooth gear changes, while a worn clutch in manual transmissions causes jerky acceleration. Faulty torque converters in automatic transmissions and control module malfunctions also contribute to this issue. The remaining 15% of jerking issues involve air intake and engine management problems. A dirty air filter restricts airflow to the engine, while mass airflow sensor problems disrupt the air-fuel mixture. Faulty oxygen sensors can't properly monitor exhaust gases, and catalytic converter issues affect engine performance. Modern vehicles equipped with advanced diagnostic systems can now identify the cause of acceleration jerking with 95% accuracy, a significant improvement from just 5 years ago. Professional automotive shops achieve a 92% first-time fix rate when diagnosing these issues. When your car jerks during acceleration, start with these immediate diagnostic steps to identify the problem quickly and cost-effectively. First, check if your check engine light is illuminated. About 70% of jerking issues trigger this warning light, providing valuable diagnostic codes. Next, assess your fuel quality by using top-tier gasoline for 2 to 3 fill-ups. Poor fuel quality is a common cause of acceleration problems. Finally, verify basic maintenance items. Check your air filter and spark plug condition, as these are often the culprits behind jerking issues. Modern technology offers powerful diagnostic tools that can help identify problems quickly and accurately. Smartphone diagnostic apps now provide real-time monitoring capabilities. These apps can connect to your vehicle's computer system and display live data about engine performance. Follow this cost-effective repair hierarchy to solve jerking issues without overspending. Start with basic maintenance items before moving to more expensive repairs. Level 1 includes basic maintenance items costing $50 to $200. Replace air filters, spark plugs, and use fuel additives to clean the system. Level 2 covers intermediate repairs from $200 to $600. This includes fuel injector cleaning, replacing ignition coils, and sensor replacements. Level 3 involves major repairs costing $600 to $2,000. These include transmission service, fuel pump replacement, and engine control unit issues. For immediate relief, consider using advanced fuel system cleaners. These products contain specialized detergents that can remove deposits from fuel injectors and intake valves. Professional automotive shops now offer predictive maintenance packages that can identify potential problems before they cause jerking. Remote diagnostic services are also increasingly available for complex issues that require expert analysis. Remember, addressing car jerking issues promptly can prevent more expensive repairs later. Start with basic diagnostics and maintenance, then progress through the repair hierarchy as needed.